the every instance as negative. When the instances are negative, then we introduce the phi value, question mark. Okay, and the semantically distinct hypothesis in this one is h1 plus 4, like that. When we have to count it through attributes plus their values, means sky 1, sunny 2, cloudy 3 and rainy 4, means 4 multiple rest of 3, a temperature attributes with their attribute values, 4 multiplied by 3 and multiply by 3, like that. So how many there 5 attributes are there, including 4, to multiply by, then 973 attributes are there. These are the when we solve the two hypotheses to be solved in the two types of algorithm. First is finders algorithm and another is candidate elimination algorithm. What is in the finders algorithm? When we have to initialize the h, the most specific hypothesis in h, in for each positive training instance is x, for each attribute we consider aj in h. If the constraint aj is satisfied by x, then do nothing. Otherwise, else when it not to be satisfied, it comes in else part. I mean, the sense is there. For example, if for example, starting this one, wait, then h attribute is there, then how many attributes are there? For example, is represented to 5, 5, 5, 5. How many attributes means? For example, 5 attributes, then you use 6 attributes, another 5 8 attributes, whatever. How many attributes are there? Then you have to use the corresponding 5 and then close this one, like that. Okay, then we have to close this one. After that, then the conditions are there. If the value is equal to hypothesis, to the hypothesis, then it will be comparing this one, otherwise not compare and ignore. This is the main concept. Okay, otherwise the output is hypothesis x, output is the hypothesis h. How will we solve this algorithm? I will give you example. Next one, the example is there. One tables are given to solve the problem. This general to specific learning. This is the one tables are given: the sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast. These are the attributes, and the 1, 2, 3, 4 are given are their attribute values. And then we have to enjoy the sports, and the enjoy the sports, first one is to be saying yes, second one is yes, and third one is no, and fourth one is yes. So means all the yes are there. These yes are there, the positive attributes, and this one is also positive attribute. This one is also negative attributes. Okay, how will we solve this one? I will just switch to the next one. And this one, for example, the h0, our is this one, the h0. How many attributes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6. Then we starting the 6 is null values. Now will be take in the next slides. Then we have to keep in mind this table, keep in mind, then through this table then we can solve this problem. Then this h0 is there. How many 6 attributes are there? Okay, corresponding a1 is sunny, comma another 5 is warm, another one is normal, another one is strong, another one is warm, another is same. Now h1 is to be comparing, h1 is to be comparing this one, h1 is to be comparing, the x1 is a comparing this one. Then this is the your actual, this is your actual hypothesis. Okay, then it will be, then h1 then h1 is given there. When we have to look at the second one, here is normal, here is high. Normal is when sunny is same, warm is same, normal and high, normal is there, when difference is there. So then strong is there, same, this one is same, this one is same. In this replace, in this high, then we have to use the question mark. These are the these are the another hypothesis. In the second one, in the third one is to given no. So means that will be ignore to eliminate this one. Then it will be this category, the H2 hypothesis is the same as like in H3. When we use in H3, when we use to switch in S4 in iteration 4, these are the same is there, same sun is there, then this one high is there, okay, then strong is there, then warm is there, then same is there. So means then we have to sunny is there, warm is there, the question mark is as it is, the strong is as it is, then rest cool and change, there the changes are there. Changes means this one we have to mark the question mark, means the output is, this is your output of find S problem. Find S problem, and it will be solved. Okay, this one the main concept. Actually, then in this algorithm, when we ignore the negative steps, the negative, this one is negative now, this one is negative, this one is negative, to ignore completely. Then in this is the another candidate elimination algorithm. This is an extended version of find S algorithm. Then this algorithm, to solve the anomaly, some anomaly in find S, what is this? When the negative values are there, then it will be completely ignored. But here, but in candidate elimination algorithm, negative value is there, okay, but in how many values are to comes in positivity, then we will take rest of eliminate. Okay, then is the same this algorithm are then if two hypotheses last thing is it are the same as in find S algorithm. The another one is this one, the if D is a negative example, remove the from S any hypothesis inconsistent with D. For each hypothesis G in capital G is not consistent with D, remove G from capital G, add to G all minimum specialization H of small g such that H is the consistent with D and some members of S is more than specific than H. Remove from G any hypothesis that is less than greater than another hypothesis G. Actually this in this algorithm means when negative value is there, then we have to just switch to general to specific. Let us take to example how will be possible. The same example will be taken find S, then we have to use here. Then this one is how many attributes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, same as the 5s are there. Okay, this one is then it will be given as the we have to enjoy the sports. These are the two are the positive values, same as like I'm saying I told you in find S example. Okay, this one also positive, this one is negative. Okay, same as usual. We have to come first one is your H1. Okay, then next one it will compare this one. Sunny is fine, warm is fine, then air high, air normal. Okay, then we have to question mark is there, strong is there, okay, warm is there, okay, same is there, okay, then it will be fine. The third one is there, the rainy, then it will be different, rainy, cloud, high, this is a negative value. This negative value we have to look at there in this one G3. Then this negative value we have to replace with the positivity. We replace with the positive values, means those positive this negative value replace with the positive value, means sunny, then comma, then a question mark of remaining instances. Another first one is a question mark and use warm, replace with cold with warm, and the replace this one cold is replaced with warm, and where the positivity is there. Okay, and the rest of their question mark. Here is high the no is there, not to be replaced. This one normal is given, then do normal, then rest of then first one is question mark, then another question mark, and normal is there, and then replace with the question mark. Okay, and the change is there, change, then question mark, where the change is we have to change sorry warm is there, then we replace with the cool one, then cool is there, and another change is there, then we replace with same. These are the consistent. Okay. Well, when we compare to the 4-1 and this values this values then we have to look at there, we have to just match this one. Sunny is there, okay, then will be take here sunny. Warm is there, okay, question mark, warm is there, then will be take here. Rest of things, then we have to change this one. We will change the previous one, then a single, then we have to eliminate the rest of these, will take second. When fourth one again, then it will be, this is your hypothesis will matching with this one. Okay, then same, sun is there, worm is there, again high,